If you want YouTube to promote your videos and look like this, and this, so the first thing you need to do is to copy your channel URL. I'll just show you shortly where we are gonna use it. So let me tap on my YouTube, then my profile, view channel, then you tap on this pencil icon here, then this is my URL. So let me just copy it, tap on it. So the URL of my channel is already copied on my clipboard. So I'll show you shortly where we are going to use it to promote our video and get 1,000 subscribers fast. So let me just minimize this window here. So the next thing, go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. Then type there Google Ads. The result is there already. Tap on it. So this is the interface of this tool that we are going to use to promote our video to get 1,000 subscribers fast. So first of all, let me sign in, and let me tap on my profile there. But I'm going to leave this place blurred because I don't want to show my email addresses. So after doing that, select the email address. So let me select it. Choose the email address that is linked to your YouTube channel. So mine is already selected. So just tap on start now. Then you enter your business name. So let me just enter the name of my YouTube channel, Amenya Sphere. This channel that I'm on right now. Then where should people go after clicking your ad? So let me just enter my channel URL, the URL that we initially copied. So this is where we use that URL. So just copy it here, paste it here. It was already copied on my clipboard. Let me just paste it. Then tap on next. Then what's your main advertising goal? So my main advertising goal is to get more views and engagement on YouTube. That's basically why we are promoting our video, to get more views and engagement on YouTube and basically subscribers. So let's tap on it, and I believe all of you or most of you that are watching this video want to get more views, more subscribers and engagement on YouTube. So let me tap on it, then next. Let's create your video ad. So this is a question here. What do you want to focus on? Drive video views and traffic to your website, or drive video views and engagement with your channel? So we are going to select the second option there. Then here select a video. Let me just type there my channel name, Amenya Sphere. So all my videos are showing there, so I can select any video that I want to promote. So let me choose this, for example, this one here. Then let me enter a headline here. Let me say hidden settings. Then let me enter a short description there. settings tutorial. Then I can as well say there settings tutorial. Then let me tap on next. So after that, choose a location where you want most people to see your video. So mine is located at Kenya, so I'll just leave it like that for the purpose of this tutorial. So here are the estimated impressions and views that you can get from your ad. Let me tap on next. As you can see, you can read estimated impressions 120k to 360k per week, and the estimated views from these impressions 4.2k to 14k views per week, which means that you can get a lot of subscribers from these views here, from 4.2k to 14k views. There's a possibility of getting close to 1000 subscribers in just 1 week or less. So let me tap on next and see. So you can also select the gender that you are targeting with your video. So let me uncheck that unknown. The video can target both male and female, can target any age bracket. So let me uncheck that unknown, and let me also uncheck that. So this is the estimated impressions for this video when it's promoted through Google Ads. So it's 120k to 340k impressions per week, which translates to 4k to 13k views per week, which is so impressive. And you can really get a lot of subscribers from that. So let me tap on next and see. So I'm going to select a currency here. So let me tap on this drop down. Let me tap on US dollars, US dollar there. Then next. So this is what my ad is all about. The daily budget is 500 US dollars. That's what I've selected actually. So you can pick according to your budget and according to the estimated impressions and views that you want to your video. So if you click on go billing, automatically it will send a prompt to your phone for payment and to complete the transaction. So this is how a video that is promoted through Google Ads looks like. You see the sponsored written there, and the subscribe button is right before your eyes. So it's always easier to smash on that subscribe button. You don't have to click on the video before you hit the subscribe button. So let me just swipe down and show you another one. They always appear on top of your home feed. So let me swipe again. You see another one here, sponsored, and the subscribe button is right before your eyes. So it's always easier to subscribe. So if you also use this strategy, you will get a lot of subscribers if your content is valuable within record time. So let me swipe another one, the last one. You see, sponsored, subscribe. So it's much easier to get subscribers using this promotion strategy. So that's how effective this strategy is. So start implementing it today if you're really struggling to get your 1000 subscribers for monetizing your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful, please take a moment and like it, share it with others so that they could also get its benefits. So most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because if you really love videos like this, By doing that, YouTube will automatically give you a notification whenever I drop a video. See you in the next video.